fraction of the force of a rope. Pull down on one side with 10 kilograms of force, the other side goes up with 10 kilograms of force, all right? Doesn't multiply anything, okay? Just 1 times 1, okay? But if you use more than one pulley, it multiplies your force by the number of ropes that are lifting the load. And Emily, I don't mean load in a pejorative way. Load is a physics term for things that are being lifted, all right? So if we had a 100-pound load and we had 10 pieces of rope, and each piece of rope is carrying exactly the same amount of weight, how much weight is each piece carrying? You're right, each rope only has to lift 10 pounds. And since the tension is equal everywhere in the system, if you put 10 pounds of force on this, you're adding 10 pounds of force to all of these ropes, and that multiplies your force, and now 10 pounds of effort in here gives you 100 pounds of lift on this side, which is pretty darn cool, right? So gentlemen, come down right over here, and have you stand around this rope, and you're gonna apply downward force right here. Now, if you're standing backwards and pulling backwards, you're just gonna pull the tower over on yourself. So you wanna stand right underneath here and apply force straight down, very gently. Emily, put your hands right here, and if everything works right, you'll go up and they'll stay down. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. You seem to be moving up in a vertical manner here. I'm gonna have you just rotate slightly sideways here. There we go, look at that. So far, so good, right? Or you can go a little bit faster if you want. This is looking pretty good, right? Yeah? So far, whoa, actually, oh, hang on, I forgot something. I need your help right away. This is an emergency. I'm sorry. I'm terribly sorry. But I said whenever we have a stunt person in the air, I said we always have to have something nice and soft underneath them, right? Whew, that was close. What's your name? Daphne? Daphne, nice to meet you. Daphne, how are you? Good. Emily? Emily, can you hear me up there? Look, I've got Daphne underneath you. She's nice and soft. If anything happens, she's going to break your fall, okay? All right, now, how old are you, Daphne? 9 years old. Excellent. Come on down here. We should probably sit right here just in case anything happens. You know, we can break her fall together, okay? Now, Daphne, you seem like a pretty brave young lady, aren't you? You are. Do you know what happens to brave young scientists who are willing to take some risks? They are rewarded with responsibility. You know what responsibility is, Daphne? It means if you're in charge of something, no matter what happens, it's on your head. Okay, so I'm gonna let you manage this responsibility, Daphne, by taking this rope in your hand. We're gonna let these gentlemen let go of this rope. Let go of that rope. And then Daphne, we're gonna see if you can hold Emily by yourself, okay? So, ready? Now, what are the consequences of failure here? Don't think about that. Think about success, all right? So I'm gonna let go in just a minute, okay? Tell me when you're ready for me to let go, all right? Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, I let go about a minute ago. Now, you're actually holding Emily up all by yourself. But this is just physics right here. So let's turn this into a little bit of a stunt. Daphne, can I see your little pinky? We're going to put your little pinky right here, and I'm going to let go, and we're going to see if you can hold Emily with your pinky. Okay, ready? Now, actually, your pinky is actually your strongest finger for holding things. So let's try one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Look at that, Daphne. You're doing it. You have just proven some incredible science right there. Daphne, you know what you just proved? Well, the first thing you proved is that using pulleys to multiply your force, a 9-year-old girl is able to hold up a woman who weighs enough to teach the entire knowledge of the world to 2 students. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? But you know what else you just proved, Daphne? Daphne has just proven that a girl with 1 pinky can easily do the work of any 3 men. That's pretty phenomenal, isn't it? All right, Daphne, should we let her back down?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So I'm going to take that knot out. Minor technical issue here. Emily, hang in there. How's the weather up there?
Perfect.
Good. I'm going to let you back down now. We're going to start going. Ow! Ooh, what just happened to my hand? Yeah, rope burn, because when 2 things rub together, they create friction. And friction does what to people? Yeah, it causes heat, and heat burns people. So we want to come down very gently, hand over hand. Better for you, better for me, right? Get a nice, soft, safe landing, and then we're going to pull the emergency release here, and boom, you can escape. Emily, thank you so much. Daphne, great job. Gentlemen, amazing lift effort there. Thank you so much. We achieved liftoff with these guys. All right, now.